Hello everyone, my name is Yuvan and welcome to Knowledge Nuggets with Yuvan. This is a place where we learn new words, discover amazing books and solve fun Olympiad questions. So let's get started. It's time for weekly book review and today's book is by my favorite author Roald Dahl and the storybook's name is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. What is the story about? The story is about a poor boy called Charlie who loves eating chocolate but hardly ever gets to eat any. But one day he finds a golden ticket and gets the chance to visit the world's most mysterious chocolate factory. What happens next? Charlie must survive the craziest factory tour ever while dealing with forever naughty children and while meeting the funny Oompa Loompas. Why I like the book? Magical and funny story, wacky chocolate inventions, easy to read and understand, good mix of words and mischief. My rating 4.5 out of 5 stars. My favorite part, the moment Charlie finds his golden ticket. Who should read it? Kids who love magical stories, imaginative adventures and funny characters. Final verdict, if you dream of visiting a candy wonderland and love funny, unforgettable adventures, this book is a must read. This is Ivan signing off. See you in the next Knowledge Nugget. Bye.